Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mr. Ebo Richards, and I am the CEO of CORP Exchange. I started the exchange a couple years ago, just fooling around with friends, and we're growing. We're not even close to where we want to be yet. So this is a new segment here on CORP Exchange Television, and it's called Economics Corner. Now, I have a new book coming out, more like a white paper, and it's, traditional banks versus investment banks. Economics Corner is like Headspan and like Corp Exchange Radio and Wide World of Trade Report. Those are the three, pretty much the four, with Economics Corner that are, viral and on the radios and on TVs. And what we've come up with is investment banking. So Economics Corner is global research on investment banking. And like Headspan is research on hedge funds. Smart Investor Society is research on trading stocks and absorbed markets and weighted markets. And what was the other one? And Wide World of Trade Report is what we studied. And we went to school and we're major, still studying, still constantly trying to get to past PhD in economics, global economics, emerging markets, economies. So here we're welcoming Economics Corner, which is studying on and researching investment banking. And this is Corp Exchange Television. Question was brought up, being that I am, founder of Corp Exchange, and we have all these businesses, and they're just not all finance businesses. There's a lot of businesses that are almost bigger than ours, and they're part of the exchange. As a matter of fact, we have some insurance agents coming next week that want to sit down and meet with us, and they want to get on the exchange. We have everything from makeups to finance boutiques to car washes to real estates to home builders. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on here. So they said, well, what is Corp Exchange? So I'm like, well, it's a business network. It's a network of association of businesses and different businesses that provide service products and to our clients, associates, servants, to everyone. So the first thing we wanted to do on the Economics Corner is answer the question that people keep bombarding you with. Well, is Corp Exchange an investment bank? Because you talk a lot about investments. I've been trying to really avoid it because, for lack of a better word, investment banks get demonized. But the reality is you could say that Corp Exchange is, in fact, an investment bank on its way. What we do for clients is you really can't get the service anywhere else but from an investment bank. But with that being said, why Corp Exchange? And remember, this is Economics Corner. My name is Mr. Ebo Richards, founder of Economics Corner. And Economics Corner is now a member of the Corp Exchange. So the better decision is what I come up with. Corp for your business, whether big, large, small, medium cap, small cap, locally, East Coast, West Coast, across the pond, even if you're orbiting in space. Corp Exchange is the better decision. Capital raising, well, you've come to the right place. We can sit down and put you in touch with and find out what you need to grow your business. What we do is we connect businesses in different markets. So we gather a bunch of businesses, and we're across the market. You have to what makes Corp the better bank or the better firm, if you will, is investment banks, they're just pretty much doing finance. There's the money, there's the finance. We raise money and help people connect with all kinds of businesses. So if you're at home baking cookies and you want to send, you want to start getting out there, we can help you get into that, make your dream come true. You have a dream, then you have a goal, and you take the action, and you make it. You want to sell insurance. There's agents and there's people all around. One thing we do know in this country, insurance, we have well-off fund on the IZ Corp exchange, and we have a star sign investments. These are insurance companies, and people don't have enough insurance. Sometimes they can't afford it, but then what we do is, especially at well-off fund, is we find out the products that meet the client's needs, and that's pretty much it is. But most people don't think about it until it's too late. Well, if you're in business, you can't wait until it's too late. Most people's businesses is their passion, it's their dream. Our subscribers they knowingly, and what we do is we knowingly and accept the risk that the subscribers take. So, we just don't just support them. And in many markets, many argue that there is no guarantee or sure thing. But by backing our subscribers, it gives them a greater opportunity for success. Many charge fees and have flat rates, but the IZ Corp exchange is so diverse and in different markets, it allows the exchange to say, well, okay, not pretty much the size of the deal, but the industry. If all you do is trade stocks, you can do a flat rate. But if you're doing investments over on this side, and then you have, well, we're referring people to wash your cars, or here's we're connecting you to paint the 40 houses. You'll have 40 houses to paint in the next 6 months. It's not going to be the same thing. And pretty much, from big deals to small deals and company startups. So that's pretty much giving you an idea of what IZ Corp Exchange is, and just letting it the Economist Corner, the economic